pretty steep hill he's coming down with his excavator. Wouldn't have thought he'd done that. And now he's going into this gully. This good guy's been doing this for 40, 50 years. Yeah, 40 years. Got it. Wow. It's making good use of that bucket. Disconnecting the wires and the sewer, and then probably the water after that. He's moving that stuff out of the way, I guess. He's pushing Hey Benny, can we put those up on something? So they're not sitting on the ground? There was logs there. Donkey?
Oh yeah, we have 4.
You do?
Yeah,
I thought you just had goats. 1 goat.
I got 2 goats. John, wow. I love it.
I do too. Deb is unhooking the water. And Peppy and Sammy are putting the tires on because Benny raised up the front of this RV with his excavator. So it's going to be out of here soon. Can you get that, or do you need a wrench? What'd you say?
I'm not sure yet.
Yeah. We also have the title.
Hey Benny, on the other side you have a row of like stuff. You don't want to scratch your thing, and then on the back side you got about that much room for electrical box. Yeah.
Ooh, just missed it.
Yeah, and after you
Also
do it
the-
so long, you kind of just,
Also the roof. He's just missing the tree.
you know, that's why I told him he couldn't swing it.
Yep. Plus all that crap sitting there.
Yeah, the tree fell on
Sorry?
it. Yeah, the tree has fell on it.
Is that what that's
The
from?
roof on it. But it busted all the way down.
It doesn't show inside though.
That's lipstick. That's what my grandpa called it.
What's that?
A little bit of lipstick.
Yeah, absolutely. We're pros at that, flipping houses.
I grew up old school, so things I say, people, the younger generation, they don't.
I know, they want everything brand new and plastic. There's a donkey over there, and he is so noisy. I don't know if you can see him. Over there somewhere. But they say he's great. They're great for alarming. Like if there's a great bear or other kind of predator around, they alarm you. So it's good to have a donkey, which is probably why those people own a donkey. Because I don't know what other use they have. chainsaws.
Chainsaw's going, they're mowing down, taking down the trees, falling them. They just took out the RV today, it's across the bridge. Yeah, psyched about that. The shed has been moved, and very happy. A lot of land, and it's just so pretty here. So, yeah.
We're very happy with the progress so far, and we're just plugging along one step at a time. So we're doing 2 projects at once. So I don't know if I've described this property well enough, but there's basically a road down there, a road here, and a road up there. And about halfway into that road is the borderline for our property. But this is all these trees. This is all us. It's about an acre, a little bit more than an acre. So it's a nice area. Now this level right here will be the entrance to the cabin. And then below we'll have a basement. And everything obviously will look out onto that gorgeous river. So all the trees here with the pink are cutting down. We're coming down, and there's some there, which is why we didn't move the shed further up this road. It'll be right about there when we're done, but we want the trees down first so we don't risk the trees falling down the shed. Right now they're bucking up the wood down there. And it's hickory, so it is hard. I plan on using some of that hickory to make a wooden mallet for some of the furniture building that I'll be doing, not only for this cabin, for other projects as well. If you want to see those projects, that's on my other channel. It's Melanie Heinrich Studios. You can just type that into the search bar in YouTube, on YouTube. Or I will try to remember to put a little tag somewhere, maybe in the upper right corner. It's called a card, but you'll be able to get to it that way too.